Hello everyone, my name is Guru Nikita and today's date is 11 July 2024 and my topic name is control statement in Java. In a Java control statement that are also having and three types. First is the decision making statement. The decision making statement are having and two types, if statement and the switch statement. In the second is and the looping statement. Looping statement that are also having and following types, do while loop and the for each loop. In the Java, the third is and the jumping statement. Jumping statement are having and two types, break statement and continue statement. In the decision making statement that are also and at the same time suggest the decision making statement decide which of the statement to be executed and when. The decision making statement that are evaluate the boolean expressions and control the program flow of the depending upon the result of the condition provided. In there are also having and two types of the decision making statement. In the Java that is an if statement and the switch statement. The first is an if statement. The if statement that are also used to if the condition if the statement is and evaluate the conditions. The control the program that are diverted depending upon the specific conditions. The conditions of the if statement gives a boolean values either true or the false. In the Java further and the four type of the if statement here that are also and following the simple if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and if else ladder statement. Let's understand the statements that are also if statement that are also and the following. First is the simple if statement that are the most basic statement in the control flow statement in the Java that are also and the boolean expressions and enable that are also to enter the block of the if the conditions if the expressions that evaluate to the true. The syntax of the if statement that are also and the given below that are if conditions statement first execute when the condition is true and the second is and the if else statement. The if else statement that are also an extension to if statement that are which is also used to another block of the code that is else block. The else block is also executed if the conditions is and false. In the that are also and the syntax are the following: if condition statement first execute when the condition is true, otherwise else if the condition is false. In the third type of the if statement that are also and if else if ladder statement that are also contains the if statement followed by the multiple else if statements. In other words, we can say that if it is and the chain of the if else statement that are also and create decision tree where the program may be enter in the block of the code where the condition is true. We can also define and the else statement at the end of the chain. In the syntax of the if else if ladder statement that are also and the following: if conditions statement is executed when the condition is true, else if statement that are also statement is then executed when the condition second is then true, otherwise else if the condition is false. In the fourth type of the if statement that are also and the nested if statement. The nested if statement that are that if the statement can be contain the if or if else statement inside the another if else statement. Syntax of the nested if else statement that are also and having and the if conditions statement first when the condition is first is true, then the statement second execute when the condition second is true, otherwise in else statement that are also and the conditions to be executed the false. In the second is and the switch statement. The switch statement in Java, the switch statement that are also and similar to the if else if statement. It is and the switch statement contains the multiple block of the code called as the cases, and the single cases is executed based on the variable which is being switched. The switch statement in Java that are easier to use instead of the if else if statement. It is and also enhance the reliability of the programs. In the case, variable can be int, short, byte, char, or the enumeration string type is also and supported since the version 7 of the Java. Cases cannot be a duplicate. Default statement is an executed when any of the case does not match to the value of the expression. It is an optional break statement. Third is the break statement. The break statement terminates the switch block when the condition is satisfied. It is an optional if not used next case is executed. While using the switch statement, we must be and notice that the case expression will be and the same type as the variable. However, it will be also and having and the constant value. In the second type of the statement is and the looping statement. In the programming, the looping statement sometimes we can use to execute the block of the code repeatedly. And that are also having and the three types: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. And that's all about the statements. Thank you.